regulator performance parameters. These are important parameters that actually characterize the various regulators, linear regulators that are available in the market. You can find them in the data sheet in one form or the other. First, one of the important parameters, the line regulation parameter. It is actually given as the partial differentiation of V0 with respect to Vi, del V0 by del Vi into change in Vi. What it basically means is the variation in V0 with respect to variation in Vi for a given absolute difference variation in delta Vi. So this parameter is called the line regulation parameter or the line regulation coefficient. The second important one is the load regulation. What is the effect of load on V0? So that is what is given by del V0 by del I0, the effect of I0 on V0. And this value into delta I0, change in I0 or change in load, will give you the total load regulation. This is called the load regulation coefficient. And the third one is the thermal or the temperature regulation, which gives the effect on V0 due to change in temperature del V0 by del T for a given absolute change in temperature. So the effect of change in temperature on V0 multiplied by the actual change in the temperature gives you the regulation due to temperature variations. So this is the temperature regulation coefficient. Overall, if you put all of these together, you can get the overall output voltage regulation, or delta V0 at the output is delta V0, the change in V0 with respect to line into the amount of line change, deviation, keeping, now this is keeping load and this value is keeping load and temperature constant. Plus you have the effect of change in V0 to the changes in I0 into delta I0. Here you are keeping line voltage constant and the temperature constant. Next you have the effect of change in temperature on V0 due to change in temperature, keeping input line and the load constant. So this becomes the important regulation equation for the output voltage for any regulator, and this can also be a good comparison or a benchmark, can be used as benchmarking for various regulators. You will find these regulation coefficients in the data sheets.